Hoplites, real quick, I'm going to show you how you can back up your work if you notice you've had an issue with work uploading incorrectly or not saving to your Google Drive automatically. I'm going to show you a quick little workaround on my Chromebook. So I'm going to go to the document that my son worked on. It was originally a PDF. You can see right here. It was a PDF. I had my son edit directly on the PDF. So I'm going to come to the work. I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to come up here to my little printer button. I'm going to click print. And then from here, I have the option to obviously print the document, or I can download the document and it can save it directly to your device. If it's a Chromebook and you're signed into Google Drive on your student's account, you can sign into Google Drive and link directly from the Google Drive. If there's an issue later, I'm not going to do this right now because I don't need it on my computer. Close that and get back to here. And if for some reason you've used the submit button and it's still not working, it's still not going through, you notice that you've hit submit when you go back to look at it later and it's not up there, you can take a link from Google Drive and post it directly into private comments, and that'll help make sure that it gets to your teacher as well.